I have 2 days until I need to pass my exam, my retake exam, because the first I failed. So tomorrow I still can learn. But tomorrow, like 2 days, I need to pass, and at the moment it doesn't look like I can, so I'm training with all exams. And yeah, hopefully today I'll be better than yesterday. But first, before we talk about what happened, before you get the time lapse of today. Oh, I'm so tired. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm already eat breakfast. Oh, fucking, it's too early for me. Yeah, I'll show you that I understand the things I don't understood yesterday, or at least some of them. So back to the exam of yesterday before we get into today's one. This was the task where I was if we look what I've done there, it was something like this. It was yeah, like pretty messy. It's well, I mean, this is not completely wrong, at least I think. But yeah, I think I done it correctly now. We have it down here. Yeah, it's a bit more complex than what I've done above. Um, so yeah, I've got it. I think it would be 10 points, but I looked up the solution before, so yeah, does not count. Then yeah, what I've done here was just calculate the velocities, not first in the Laborsystem. I don't know. It's in English probably laboratory system. I don't know. Probably that's the correct word. Yeah, I just calculated there. I don't calculate it there. I calculate in the system set of mass. What makes it a lot easier because then the velocities before the phasor relax are zero, and afterwards it's just like conservation of pulse, I guess, or however we ever call it in English, and energy conservation. Not energy conservation. The kinetic energies of the two vehicles after the phasor is the spring is released, relaxed. Is just the energy of the spring when it's contract. The potential energy of the spring when it's contract. So this was what's easy. It still looks quite messy, but I think the solutions were correct when I remember correctly what I've done yesterday. And yeah, this task I could have done it without the A. Yeah, there was many points left. I said around 9 points. I needed more to pass, probably a bit less because I don't know. That's a classical exam where it's more tasks than you need to do. And then there was this 3D integration. Here you still see I failed. Why I failed is because of this. Oh no, this was because of this. What I've needed to do was, I need to integrate the distance to the x of rotations squared, and the distance is not just z, because it's not just this, it's also this. So if the point is here, this is the distance, and not just this. Oh, sorry, my German accent. Yeah. And so I need to x squared plus y squared. So to integrate this, and this was the sine is because y is r times sine of phi, because here x and y, and if we have r and here we have phi, then this point here is sine phi, or r times it. So we needed to integrate. So we needed to, integrate exactly what I just showed with this here. Oh wait, I have a touch screen I can use. Oh no, I can't. What? Nah, Microsoft. Yeah, like this here. We needed to integrate that. Oh no, it was a mistake. So it makes way more complex. The R here. I think. It's probably even forgot this one. Yeah. No. Well, I think later I added. Yeah, here. So that was the mistake. The second part of task I don't even realize, but yeah, this would be also. Yeah, I did 2 points. So there was a lot of things, tasks I missed. I should have done correctly, but however, shit happens. We just need to get better, and that's why I train. We do an exam, so I need from. This is what we want to do from 1920. Let's go, Corona. Finally, we had the Corona times. I think I've done this task already. Oh no, we need the clock. Or Uhr, like it sounds in German. So I think the Timelapse can start. I need to drink something and then Abfahrt. Give me money, because I'm your honey. Oh yeah. Oh no, wir sollen mir nicht. Scheiß 90 Minuten für die Kacke. This time we have 2 hours. So this exam is pretty realistic. That's. I still task too much. Oh, I don't know. Why is it always getting easier? I'm still failing. Yeah. Everything I need is my cock indeed. Everyone needs a woman like me. Damn it. Yeah, I'm just 2 or 3 minutes over the time. I don't know if that's the point or not. We will like check it now. Oh damn it, I'm so tired. Let's check. Oh my god, I forgot that 2 hours ago I was at this task. I just forgot it. It's 1.1 seconds. Seems good. So, one task I skipped because what the fuck, I don't have time. And I can't remember we had something like this in our lectures. So, I mean, all the exams, they sometimes have a bit other stuff. So, you calculated the time, but I never actually calculated. I just wrote down the formula. I think Yeah, it seems correct. It just dumped around correctly. So there's the points are here. 4 points. That's good. That's great. That's good start. 9.1 seconds. I rounded it to 9 seconds. Still fine. I guess we get the point. 26 seconds. It's a bit year off or thing, but yeah, and uh, um, I think it's still quite the same. Oh, let me check. 2 times 9. Oh wait, they want the root. I wrote it a bit different, but wait, what TF not TA? Okay, probably that's the reason. Why I failed? It is probably just 2 points. I don't know. The principle is right. Let me check. 9.81 times the 6. I think that it's need to be 10.8. I get out in my calculator. Yeah, I think it's just a rounding difference. So basically, yeah. I mean, well, it's correct. Basically, so it's still correct. I mean, yeah, 2 meter per seconds off. It's a bit, but here around 1 second, other here, and 1 millisecond, and here they rounded, and I haven't rounded at all. I just put it directly in the calculator, so it makes sense. The formula is correct. So I would say this is a good start. That are 8 points. Whew, better than the exam yesterday. Oh no, this shitty. I don't know what to do at A. What have they done? Oh my god. Pythagoras theorem, or I don't know how to call it in English. Satz des Pythagoras. I'm already again failing because of I don't know, 9th grade or 8th grade. I don't know when you have it. Wait. YG MG. Yep, that's correct. I would say. That's also correct. And 5 points. I don't know if my calculation was correct. They have a minus in front of it. I said. So probably just. Wait. Oh no, I've correct. I make this go away because I've done this here under this machine. Would be correct. I don't know. I mean, I have 2 solutions here. I probably needed to explain that I wrote here this and then I corrected this to this. But I know that, so I think it should be 5 points. Whew. Lucky. Why is there minus? I mean, first of this is fine. This is the same. And why they have a minus here? That makes no sense if the solution have a minus here. I mean, literally, here they have no minus. How does a minus spawn there? Just so the solution, I think it's a slight mistake from the solution, but it's not so bad. Yeah. Yeah. So this is also fine. Oh my god. And yeah, that's also correct. Oh my god, the first task. I mean, I just failed A completely because of ninth grade. It's too long ago. I couldn't remember. It's still 8 points. So but it's good. Oh no, this task. I just doing random stuff. I hope this was just look at the solution. Why the fuck? I mean, the solution they have is literally the square of my solution. So, um, oh, it absolutely makes no sense. What? Why? In which world? Why did I take the root of it? It's so normal. Like always, you have something like this, and then you need to take the root, or you have something like this, and you take the root. And this time we just had h. I don't need to take a root, so the last step is just wrong, and that's unlucky. Yeah, I think it's correct what I've done. Anything but the last step. This could be full points, but again, I just failed because I took the what the fuck? Why took the root out? It's like probably because I was confused because here we have an omega. Normally we want something like omega, and then you need to take the root and the square root and. But we wanted h, so, and sad. But it's way better. Oh no, this task. Okay, until now, it's way better than yesterday. But this task it confused me the hell out of me. So whoa, wait. Wait. I see that. I failed this. So this is correct. I can't count 1 plus 1/2 equals 3, and I done 2/3. Dumb mistake. It is hopefully there's one more than 1 point. Okay, that's 4 points. I think there's just one mistake, but you see here that I have it correctly. I just am too dumb to count 1 plus 1/2. So I think it's 3 points because I make a mistake there, but the rest is correct. B is I mean it's a follow-up mistake from A, definitely, but yeah, I think I have the same. Yeah, I have the same. Just haven't. I mean, we have I defined as this what is here this part. So we have it correctly, not exactly correctly because we messed up in A, but it's just a math mistake and not a physical mistake. And then the dude who's the supervisor of the dudes that correct our exams said if it's a physical mistake, it's gonna so we don't get many points if it's physical mistake, so they punish it hard. But if it's just a dumb math mistake like writing 2/3 instead of 3/2 or 3/2, I don't know. It just probably even I would have gotten 4 points, but I just 3 points and follow up mistakes. So this is also correct. So get here all the points. It's omega is yes sir. Okay. Okay. So I show that I know what's omega here is, but they. Wait. The eigenfrequency is not the frequency. It's okay. I'm confused. I'm confused. What the words mean. That's probably more than a mistake above. But I mean, I show that you can read out of the stuff the omega and I put omega in, and I have f. So, but it's just 1 point, and I done the wrong thing. So I think I'll give me 6 points here, but in the exam it would be probably 7 points. The last I just failed. This quite I showed what they wanted me to show, but they want to show 2 things for the 1 point. But here I confused just this thing. So I think it would be 7 points. But let's go with 6. So it's way easier. And oh no, fucking Peter, please, no. Wait. Uh? Uh? So, I mean, okay. The angle is pretty close to mine. And, we saw many roundings. And, I mean, this is pretty much the same. So I want to give me 7 points because just slight mistakes. But look here. Okay. This I definitely have the same as they have. Not exactly the same, but I think yeah, it's should be. Oh wait, they done it this way. Okay, well that's a possibility, but then you don't have the angle. I would say that what I've done is correct, but I'm not 100% sure because they've done a bit different. I don't want to read through all this shit. And yes, I thought about doing this too. This was a possibility. What about I've done? I'll ask the AI. So then Gemini will just calculate everything through and just tell me in a second if this was all fine. So we still can go to. Oh, no, don't. Stop. I mean, yeah. We can edit. Can't we? Why can't we? I was confused by the 7 points. It's task 5. Yeah, I mean, well, we'll control later. Oh, yeah, I messed up. I can tell you that's definitely not correct what I've done here. Because, okay, well, okay, it's actually correct. I mean, my solution is correct. I don't know if the way to my solution is correct, but what I've gotten out was right. There's no. Now I'm confused. Like this is the same. Probably it's just same. Like just written other. I mean, I had M through M point. If you, I'll just give me the points. I have the correct solution. I mean, I have had another way, but I think. I'm in German. I'm thinking. I'm always thinking. So let's check if what I've had. No, that doesn't look quite right? Holy shit! What I've done here? So, I think we need to work with AI here. Also this task. So the last task we can. Oh. We can just look up the solution. I've got it correctly. That's enough for me to give me the points, right? I don't want to look up. For the mass, okay, they calculated the mass. They've had another way, but this I have correctly, and then they calculated the same for I, or like the moment of inertia, like I've learned while cutting yesterday. So there's also the same, and I don't calculate the mass, so I can't check. I calculated volume, or yeah, and I think should be. I mean, I've done everything a bit other way, but this should be 7 points. I think. I think I'm a German. I think I don't know how to pronounce it. Whatever. That this is fine. Oh wait, I asked Gemini about task 7, and that was also yeah, eh, yeah, I'm correct. Yeah, it's in German, but um, oh no, that's not correct. Oh, that's correct. It's nice. Oh. Oh, wait, Gemini. Yeah, wait, wait. Gemini tells me that my calculation is completely correct, but I'm still wrong. So we both wrong. Um. Oh, wait. Oh, because I had here a solution, but I then sometimes they give me the Ersatzlösung, like the solution you use if you fail A but you still want to do B. And I used this solution, not what I had in A, because I thought, I probably I just if I've done something in A wrong, I get the wrong in B. But it seems like wait, I need to calculate it, that I've got 7, that everything was correct, but I just used in B the stuff. So okay, well, so that's still 10 points. I mean, I hope it's 10 points. I need to calculate if it's really just because I used the wrong, because not the wrong, because I used the Ersatz. What's Ersatz? The solution you get. I want to translate the word. Ersatzlösung. Replacement solution. Funny word. And so wait, then I mean, if this is correct, this was the best exam I ever done, and you were live, no, not live, but oh my god, I'm so hyped right now. I'm so ready to not fail the exam in 2 days. Oh, in one day? No, not tomorrow. No, the day after tomorrow. So let me check. MZ is um wait. Wait. Oh yeah, wait, we have it. So it's, oh my god. Please let me dumb mistake. Minus um P. Um what was the density of zinc? Zin. I don't know. Oh, what's in English? Probably complete all the word. Um Times, oh yeah, the mass of there was 5. What I had 8.4. So okay. Please. And then there's a difference. I think it was 7.2 minus 8.9. Oh my god, please. syntax error. Oh no, why is it? Now they tell me I have something not. Oh no. I have. I'm too dumb to use calculator. Oh, that's unlucky me. Unlucky me. Just have no brain for running in calculator. So 10 to power of 3 times. So now it's need to be correct. Now I get something that's still not what the solution says. I think it's not. Wait, or could be. It's not what the solution says. Sad, but it's finally not a negative mass anymore. So what was the solution of A? 8.44. Okay, probably this makes the difference. Probably this makes the difference. No, it makes literally no difference. Yeah. But I'm fine. If Germany says that was my mistake, I'll accept it. If not, let's just say give me 9 points, because we don't know. I don't want to look through if I've calculated myself here, because I'll just if I've calculated myself now, if I have calculated something wrong, or I've done the algebra wrong, because then I just do it again, and then I don't know. I'm just confused. But in the end, I think this was quite successful. Now, we want to know if what I've done in 5 was correct too. Please, if yes, I'm just jumping out of the window and die luckily. And that's the first time I think I have the possibility to die luckily, since I started studying. So I need to use this opportunity. No, not killing myself because I'm lucky. And I'm just so hyped. Like yesterday, I was like, oh damn, I'll just fail anything in the future. And now I'm like, oh my god, I could actually pass the exam. Oh, and I did, because if I mean, if the third try, if I don't pass the exam, but it's oral exams. Yeah, it's yeah, I don't need to speak in front of the professor. And if I fail this, I can't keep on studying in the entire European Union officially. I mean, probably just in Germany, because other countries, they, oh, you studied physics in Germany. It's not the same like physics by us, so you can study this here. But yeah. Okay. So it's what I've done was correct. Just yeah, just I have a minus here, and they don't want, but that's I think what I've done here. So it says it's correct. Still, I don't know, because of the minus. You could, I don't give me all points. If the AI says that AI is smarter than me, right? So let's. I mean, I just calculate the points real quick. Be right back. 75%. It's insane. It's. I mean, I think the best I ever done in a test exam. I'm so lucky right now. I mean, still there's a lot to improve, and I don't know. If I would go on all points, but it's great to see that it's possible to not just suppress the 50%, but also like 75% is crazy. Even like we just skipped an entire task, a fucking entire task, would still be so good. Oh wait, I just deleted. I don't want to delete the task. Imagine this task. I mean, my exam just have one task less in the same amount of time. So if we subtract this 9 points, it would be even 87% of the task I tried. It went like 87%.